Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're so excited to share with you another okra recipe. This version is a lot easier, a lot quicker, and it's for those people who love okra but they do want to have something quick, easy, and have all the health benefits that okra has. So how about we start this recipe? It'll be done in less than half an hour. So let's start cooking. We are now going to prepare the okra. Take another bowl. We're going to chop the okras a little bit bigger this time, about in half. You can cut them in half. It's less likely for the slime to come out if you cut them a bit bigger, which is better. Okra has a lot of health benefits. You can see them on our website if you just click on the description below. Not many people like okra. But I think it's just down to how you cook the okra, really. That's why I'm cutting them a little bit bigger. Ladies' fingers. Don't they look like my fingers? I think they do. Ta-da! Chopping is done. So we have here the ingredients. Here we have 400 grams of okra. We have about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. We have half an onion. Chili is optional, you can add it or you can leave it. We have here 2 chilies. We have 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. We are going to add the oil to the pan. A key point in this recipe, we need to make sure the oil is hot, because from now on the recipe will go very quick. But the hotter the oil, the better the recipe. Right, I think the oil is hot enough now. So we start to add our ingredients. We do the onion, then the garlic, we add the cumin, chili, turmeric, salt, and we add the okra. Now all we need to do is just give it a good stir. As you can see, everything is very easy. You just add all the ingredients together and mix, that's it. At the moment we're going to put the fire down. We're going to cook this for 10 minutes on a low heat. As you can see, after 5 minutes the okra started already to cook in its own juice, so I didn't need to add any water. I'm giving it a nice mix and then cook it for another 5 minutes and it'll be ready. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start cooking my rice. Take out this rice cooker. This rice cooker has a story. We bought this rice cooker 8 years ago. And I must admit, this was the cheapest rice cooker we could find. But it lasted for 8 years, so we're very happy with it. Now, let's start cooking the rice. So as we can see, before we even cook the rice, the okra is already done. That's how quick it is. So here we go. So look at this, there's no slime in here. Okra is done. I'm going to switch off the cooker and put this on the side. Now let's get back to cooking the rice. We have a visitor, don't we? Amina? You want to see what Mommy's doing? Alright, so we have the water boiled already. I'm just going to add it to the rice. So for 1.5 cups of rice, we add 3 cups of water, so double the amount. So I have a marking on my pot, so I do know how much I add. Now I'm just going to cover it with the lid and press the button. Cook. Now it'll be done in 10 minutes maximum. Do you like spicy okra or non-spicy okra?
No spicy okra.
You can't have it this time with chili, but I'll cook separate for you some okra, okay? So let's serve this. Look at this beautiful Beautiful, delicious, the recipe. Rice is ready. We're gonna serve this rice with this delicious okra, and let's see how it is. Here we go. Ooh, I don't know, am I really hungry or is this smelling delicious? So this rice is very, very fluffy. But this is the recipe, we have it ready. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs down. There's nothing wrong with that, just honest feedback. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of it. And I'll see you again in the next video. Oh, okay, I hope you leave some for me.